Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, we got a fun video this morning. Guys, if you've been watching for a while, on my channel I make basically two types of videos. I'll make one video for you guys, things I think you might find value, something you could benefit from. And there's other type of videos I make that are just things that I'm interested in that maybe no one else is, that are fun for me. That way I just keep doing videos. I've been doing it for 15 years. I haven't gotten burned out yet because every once in a while I do a video just for me. And this morning I'm not doing a video for you guys. I think you might like this video, but I'm doing it also for me. Um, it's kind of fun. If you've been watching my video for a while, you hear me talk about Gofer Wood. Whenever I make something out of wood I find in the trash pile, I call it Gofer Wood because if you see it, you better go for it right away before somebody else gets it. It sounds better than building something out of trash or garbage, and you can use the word gopher for gopher metal or gopher this or gopher that. Whatever you see laying around, you can snag it, and it's a gopher chair or whatever. So I haven't heard anybody else use that term, and I use it basically to describe wood. Well, the last month I've been taking old photographs, family photographs, and digitizing them and turning the color black and white photos into color. And I came across a photo of myself in 1960. this is this is me, my little sister, my mom in 1960 March. This is our house made out of coral. Not too many houses made out of this type of rock. We had two-story house, wooden shingles on the roof out of cedar, copper screens, fireplace, really interesting house. But look at this photo. This is me. What am I? What am I holding here? I think this is my very first gopher wood. What in the heck is that? I have no idea. Why would I be holding this up in a photo? This piece of wood I made into a boat? What is this? 1960. So, I tell you what, guys, I think this is my very first piece of gopher wood documented. Could have been earlier, but yeah, this is me messing around with who knows what. What is that? I can't figure it out. There's something here like an added piece of wood, and there's a piece in the back here like a little something sticking up. Like I don't know what it is. What in the world? What is going on here? And there's a divot here in the wood in the back. Like, I mean, it's like, is it something that fell off? Something else? My father was a master carpenter, but he never did a lot of carpentry at the house. So like maybe something fell off the roof. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do some more videos about the house and the neighborhood in Miami in the '60s, and if anybody's interested. But yeah, my very first gopher wood. So guys, that's my video for this morning. A blast from the past. I thought some of you might be interested in and have a laugh about it. So guys, that was fun for me. I'm going to be putting on some more of those, I think. I've got some really cool photos from the 1940s in Miami and even earlier. And I think it'd be fun for you guys to watch, some of you anyway. Right, guys? I got a video coming up next week on the three simple one ingredient window cleaning solutions you can make that have other uses. Some people have said that the window washing liquid that I made in my video that's got a lot of views has too many ingredients and costs too much money. So I came up with three different solutions you can use to clean your windows, and each one of them has other alternative uses that are kind of cool. Kind of cool, guys. So that's what's coming up next, I think. And I feel like maybe a cooking video coming up. All right, guys. 60,000 subscribers. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? All right, it started with sandwich toasters. All right, guys, I'm rambling here. I hope you're having a good afternoon and nice weekend, and y'all take care and see any gopher wood, you better go for it. All right, see you out there, guys. Take care.